Hello guys, again I'm in front of you. Today we are going to discuss about our next module which is known as switching. So it is my 1.13 module in which I have to discuss about various switching things. Okay, like we have a switch, so we need to discuss about how switch works and how it transfer frames from one interface to another frame. Okay, so in this switching concepts we have to discuss about what is MAC address and how MAC address and its aging. Okay, and after that we have to discuss about what is a frame switch, like how to flood the data, what is broadcast access. So many things are there. So first of all we need to know about the basic concept of what is switch. So switch is a layer 2 device. Layer 2 device means it is a device which is used to connect with PCs with each other. Okay, so this PC wants to send data to this and it can easily send data transfer with the help of IP address. Okay, so we know that in our last video we have discussed about IPv4. In IPv4 we have seen that PCs are configured with IP address, but switch is not able to learn IP address here. Okay, so switch makes one table which name as MAC address table. Okay, now how one PC transfer data to another PC? So when one PC, for example 10.0.0.1 wants to ping with 10.0.0.2, so first time switch will broadcast. So which switch will broadcast? So data transferred to everywhere. So it means this is known as like frame flooding. So it sends their frames to everyone, but frame is received by only 10.0.0.2. So after broadcast it will go for unicast process. Okay, when every PC pings with like 3, 4, 5 ping with each other, then there is one table is made which known as MAC table. Here is port number 1 by 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3. Then for example MAC address of first PC is A, second PC is B, third PC is C. So this is the process of MAC address. Now what is MAC address? MAC address is 48-bit hexadecimal address which is known as your physical permanent address. So in switch it learns the MAC address of every device and put that MAC address into the MAC table. So first time it will go with broadcast, but when first time broadcast is done, then in MAC table we got the entry, as I know that 3 entries are here, A, B and C, and obviously 1, 2, 3 systems are connected with switch. So if switch know the MAC address, then after that it will not go with broadcast technique, it will go with the unicast technique. So this is the process of actual switch from backend. Okay, so now I am going to let you know about the practical of this. Okay, so I am going to open my Cisco packet tracer. So I just want to show you about like how it will work. Wait. Okay. Okay, so Cisco packet tracer is open. So in Cisco packet tracer, I'm taking one switch here and I'm taking PCs from here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the PCs are connected with switch. For example, I have given 10.0.0.1 to first device, 10.0.0.2 to second device, 10.0.0.3 to third device. Okay, so first time, well, when it is transferring the data, you can check here. So I'm using like first time it sent the data from one to another, it will broadcast. It is sent by only this PC. So when again it wants to forward the packet from one interface to another, then it will not go with broadcast. But if PC sends data to another PC, for example this one, this sent to this, successful. Now actually I have done pinging with this, so that it will not go for the broadcast, so it has given unicast. Why it is going with broadcast to multicast? So I have to check the things. So in this, first of all, I will up the fonts. Font size are again less. So an option, preference, font. I will use this. Okay, no issues. So you can check from here. This is go for show MAC address table. Show hyphen MAC address table. You can check MAC address is already assigned with this. So if MAC addresses are there, then switches go for one-to-one process. If MAC addresses are not there here, for example, MAC addresses are clear. For example, I will clear the MAC address manually, so it will again do broadcast. So this is the concept of switching technique. Thank you so much.